Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to upload and watch high-quality videos on Facebook. Don't forget, dear friends, please put a like on this video, write your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. So let us get started with you. And first of all, dear friends, open the Facebook app on your device. And then select the menu section on the bottom right. If you have Android, then the menu section can be on the top right on the main Facebook page. Then in the menu at the top, tap on the gear to open settings. Then scroll down a little bit and select the media section. After which, please select Please Optimize. In this way, you will improve the quality of the played videos on Facebook. Also necessarily, friends, I advise you to connect to a very good Wi-Fi network so that you do not have any signal interruptions. By doing so, you'll be able to download and view Facebook videos in better quality more quickly. I really hope, friends, that you found the video useful. Don't forget to please put your likes and also write comments. See you soon.